Day 12. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
How's she doing?
She's good. She has hiccups though.
Oh, are you worried about her hiccups?
Yeah, I don't feel like I should have it every feeding.
But she hiccuped when she was in me.
I know, but that's like once.
Hey, sweetheart. Did you meet the team today?
She's tired.
Did you like them?
Her eyes are closing.
They're all like, oh, and then they don't want to talk to me. I guess that's the life of having a baby now.
Yep.
No one wants to hear about my labor story.
No. No one
They
cares.
just want to see you.
No one cares.
And then Daddy fed you a bottle, and then they're like, oh, look at her, she's so little.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes I feel like she's little, and sometimes I feel like she's big.
Yeah.
Like hefty.
Yeah.
Skin's still peeling on her hands.
Yeah. How do you feel overall?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm great right now.
About 12 days in?
Got some good sleep.
How's Mommy Lee and Daddy?
Do you see she's smiling?
Daddy Lee doing here?
Yeah, it's awesome.
What do we have for breakfast?
This first time I had this milk and egg. Smiling.
Yeah, I got it. Poached egg and milk.
It's the first time I ever had that.
And then
some
oatmeal.
And peanut butter toast.
Mm-hmm.
And apples.
And apples.
And a kiwi.
And a kiwi.
It was a lot.
And then Mommy Lee, we're trying to take Daddy Lee to the park.
Right, you should get him
to
to
get
walk.
some exercise.
Quite
And
good
yesterday
for you
we
too.
went to Target.
Yeah. I think I'm going to try to get a refrigerator today.
Where are you going to get it?
Home Depot.
Yeah. What's the refrigerator for?
Her hiccup stopped. For her baby milk.
Oh, okay.
Breast
Because
milk.
there's so much. Dun dun dun. There's so much milk because you're drinking it all.
She needs to sit up
Little
straight
piglet.
for a while after she eats.
Oh. Yeah.
Happy now.
Yeah.
Hiccup stopped.
Okay. Hi, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. We have a busy week this week, don't we? We have a photography session tomorrow, right? Do I need to wear my pretty dress?
Yes.
And
We need
then
to wash those dresses.
Wednesday, what do we have? We go see Dr. Mason.
Yeah.
To make sure I'm getting fat. You can ask him all your questions because he gets so worried. And then Friday we have to meet the nanny, Sarah, for an interview. Someone needs to take care of me when we go back to work. Right?
Right.
Busy week.
Busy.
Auntie Luce wants to visit you on the weekend too. I told her yes.
Whoa.
Kid said it's fine.
Oh.
Kid said as long as she doesn't bring the kids and she knows the drill, so wash her hands and all that stuff, so it was fine.
Yeah. You need to follow her fingertips again.
Yeah, you look
Yeah, we
super...
can't have too many people at
No,
once.
just loose at once, no kids, it's fine.
Yeah, definitely no kids.
Hey, sweetie. Oh, so labored or breathing.
I'm glad. I like when she's tired.
I'm working so hard to drink milk. My mommy feels great because Claudinea came at 11 and fed you a bottle, and then mommy just woke up at 3 and was up till 4:30 after I pumped and fed you, and then woke up again at 7, and then that's it.
It's pretty good.
I feel like
Considering
$1,000,000
it's
bucks.
12 days in. It's pretty good schedule.
Yes. You're so good to me. You're like Annalisa's baby, Helen. Was a very good baby.
And meet your friend Helen.
You meet Helen. Helen's cute.
And be friends with Helen.
We could be friends with Owen,
Who's Owen?
Caitlin's kid.
Oh yeah.
Or you could be friends with Rosie and Susie
Amelia.
and Amelia. Amelia might sit on you though. She's too big.
Right. She big.
Big. Ooh.
Oh, juicy fart. Poop.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I'll change the diaper.
Oh yeah.
I need to wait until she digests.
What's the new outfit today?
I don't know. Which one did you choose?
Pink dinosaurs.
Oh, cool. Pink dinosaurs.
We have to. My daddy got your new outfit also at Target yesterday.
Stinky.
$5, very cute outfit.
Yep.
On clearance.
Yep. All about
First
the clearance.
outfit that daddy picked for you.
All about the clearance section.
Huh? Sweet girl? Do you like the clothes daddy picks for you? One day he's gonna braid your hair too.
Yep. French braid it. Ooh, stinky stink.
Ooh.
Oh, really coming out.
Poopy.
Oh, really coming out.
Oh, you're doing the O with your mouth when you poop.
Oh.
Just like baby Noah, Auntie Kit said.
Oh, really stinky.
Ew,
Stinky poop. Okay, who just
oh
poo pooed?
no.
Who just poo pooed in their diapers?
Oh no.